Let's start. Today we will see how to implement a drop-down form field in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. This is the data member of the class. Whichever option the user selects from the drop-down field, we will store that value in the variable. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget so that the drop-down form field would be at the center of the screen. This is the drop-down form field widget. First, we design the drop-down form field using attributes like hint, radius, border, color, etc. In the items attribute, we set the array of strings as the items of our drop-down field. When the user selects any item from the drop-down field, the onChanged function gets called, where we store that selected item's name in the variable. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can create a drop-down form field in Flutter Android. Thank you.